Right, for the half moon console table 2-tier. Right, I have cut some the top and the shelf out of balsa woods, and there's I did use as the glass candle glass bottom again, and then I just cut out a circle of cut out a circle, and then measured in and cut it in half, and I was wound up with that, and then I wound up with 2 bits, and that is the legs, and now I've cut is 6.7 centimetres long, and then I'll cut 2 front ones, and that is they are like shaped, and then on one side they're in that half moons as well, and that is now I've cut 2 back legs, and these are 5 millimeters wide by 2 millimeters thick, and I cut 4 bits of that out of basswoods, and that is, and then I stuck them together, and that was where they're dry now, and that is in what is like gluing, we're gluing them together now. And then I did get cut, and then I did cut card the same size, and all that, as you can see, and as I fold it in half, and I fold it in half again, and then what I done is found the centre of the half circle, marked it, and then I put this on, fold it like as quarter of half there, and then mark the legs out, and same on that side, and then flicked it over, and then done the same on the as opposite sides, so it gives you the leg room, and then have the legs to go up, as you can see, and that's underneath of the back ones. So and I did put that on top of there, and then mark the legs out on that. So what I can do is just stick the legs straight onto the top there, and then put the half one in afterwards. Okay, yeah. So I can stick the legs on like that, upright, and then we go legs upright. I've got some 1, 2, 3 blocks, so I can hold them up straight with it. So what I'm going to do now is start sticking the legs on. And I'm using Gorilla Glue, as you can see. A little bit of glue, so you're always going to be rubbed down, and the spare glue come off afterwards. See which one stands up the best way, and then just stick that on. And then get your axis, here's to fill over. And you get your axis glue and to take off. Done that one and that one. As you can see, you get them in line. I did have it in line, but it's knocked it completely out of line. That's that one. And then what I will do is, and I'll just drop that one. Get that one. What I'll just stick this one on as well. Like that. And get that on, get all your glue stuck off there. And if you do hear something in the background, it's and then my wife and that sorting some stuff out in the kitchen. So, and then what I'm going to do now is go away and stick the other 2 legs on, and as in once they're dry, and then I'm going to come back and put this on, and then we'll see for about rubbing down the paint in it. Okay, I've stuck the bottom on now, and as you can see, it was dry now. And so the next bit is for painting now, and let's show you after it's painted. Right, okay, and then what I've done is, and then I finished off the half moon console table 2-tier, and that is to go into the little house of horror shop. So what I've done is put a little bit of glue on around the edging of the table, and then I've run out of glue, so I'll put a little bit more on there. So a little bit around this here, and on the leg, just to show you that, well, not show you, so we can stick a bit of it, because that does look a bit plain. So what I've done, I've got some stick on things. You peel them off, you can stick them on, and you can get them from arts and crafts shop, or you can get them like from pound shop. This is where we got this one from, is a pound shop. So what I will do, you stick this round on this here, and around on this, so it looks half, and I wait till it starts going tacky, and then that should be alright. And as you can see, so it's started looking alright already, and that's how that should look half decent. That's stuck alright around here. It's a little bit, yeah, it's stuck alright. That's handy. And that is going to go into the little shop of horrors, because it is a flower shop, and that is because I've got a couple of little flowers to put on it, just to see, because these won't be the flowers on it, because I've got like quite a few flowers, and now I've got to sort out a couple to go on it. That's where your cactus down there and your little plant up there. I've got to make it a little bit grubby now, and that is when it goes into the shop, because it's been standing there for years, so it will be a little bit dirty. But I'm really pleased on that, and that is, I'm going to make one of these for the Art Deco house as well.